Yeah, I know ChatGPT without prompt is nothing, right? Yeah, absolutely right. So I will share you best possible 7 steps to write prompt, and let me tell you, writing prompt is not at all hard as you think. Just you need to give at least 2-3 days to learn that skill, and if you need to learn more, then you need to practice daily. And guys, learning that skill will not only help you to write prompt, but it will increase your skills and the thinking power as well. So guys, this is Om Misra, and today let's learn how to write 10x better prompt. So guys, these 7 steps are much valuable for me, and if you will follow these 7 steps for every prompt, it will be valuable for you as well. So guys, coming to the step 1. Step 1 is consider the context of your prompt. For an example, I have written a prompt for cube solving. So let's read the prompt. GPT, I wanted to learn how to solve 3:3 Rubik cube as a beginner to advanced level. So tell me the steps in points regarding my concern. And as you know, to solve a cube is very frustrating and it needs lots of patience, but after learning that skill, our thinking as well as growth increases. So suggest me the best points so that my growth will increase fast. And listen, start the points at a beginner level and ends with an advanced level. If required, you can be my teacher as well and can explain me all the things required. So guys, the first step is consider the context of the prompt. So I have considered the context कि मुझे ये जानना है, but I have mentioned GPT, I wanted to learn how to solve 3:3 Rubik cube. I have mentioned that I want to learn 3:3 Rubik cube. And अगर आप 3:3 मेंशन नहीं करते तो जीपीटी के पास सारी साइजेस ऑफ क्यूब्स की इंफॉर्मेशन है और वो सब दे देता वो। स्टेप 1 is always consider the context before diving into the prompt. So moving to the step 2, define a clear task. We have discussed about context, and the second is the clear task, and it is very important to write a prompt if you have written a clear task. So in this prompt, the clear task is, so tell me the steps in points regarding my concern. मेरा concern उसको पता है क्योंकि मैंने उससे पहले ही मेंशन किया है कि 3:3 Rubik cube के बारे में मुझे बताओ. And I have mentioned tell me in points. So I have mentioned points and he will give me exact in points. So this is my clear task. So moving to the step 3, you have to be very specific about the prompt. I mean that if you will merge all the details in the prompt, it will not give you a very specific answer. So you need to be very specific. In this prompt, the specific thing is, as you know, to solve a cube is very frustrating and it needs lots of patience, but after learning that skill, our thinking as well as growth increases. So suggest me the best points so that my growth will increase fast. And listen, start the points at a beginner level and ends with an advanced level. So I have mentioned what I know about the steps for solving cube. I mentioned that it is a very frustrating journey. He will give you exact on that answer what you are asking. You need to be very specific on that. Moving to the step 4. So step 4 is ask question to him. So you can ask question to GPT as well. So I have mentioned that if required, you can be my teacher as well and can explain me all the things required. I have said to GPT that you can act as a teacher to explain me to solve the Rubik cube, and he will act as a teacher if it is required. I have mentioned ask question to him. So he will think about my prompt and he will act as if he is a teacher to solve, and he will give me all the solution how to solve a Rubik cube. So moving to the 5th step is consider the output. And after writing the prompt, you hit enter and you will find a long answer by ChatGPT. And after reading that, you will be satisfied or you will be not satisfied. So 5th step is related to the 6th. If it is satisfied, then it's very fine. Then you can enjoy with the output. And if it is not satisfied, you can check the prompt, what you missed it, you can correct and refine it. So I have mentioned, if satisfied, enjoy the output, and not satisfied, check the prompt, refine it and hit enter. So if you are not satisfied, do check your prompt and refine it and again hit enter. So 7th step is the very wonderful. Again, refine it. You can reuse the refined prompts and you can enjoy wherever you want to use. These are the most powerful 7 steps that every prompt writer follows. Guys, artificial intelligence is developing day by day, and these 7 steps will definitely help you to write prompt like ChatGPT and Midjourney and many more AI tools. And guys, if you really liked my video, do share the feedback in the comment section and subscribe my channel to get more valuable content. Till then, keep learning and keep the creativity on.
Microphone check, make it a microphone check, give it a microphone.
भाई steps apply भी कर लेना.
I make it a microphone dead. Don't step to me, newbie. I could truly be moody. I could have played the fucking Grinch in the movies. I've been a